Good morning, I'm Ella.
And I'm Addison, and welcome to another edition of Bird's Eye News, featuring stories from all across Cardinal Nation.
Here are today's top stories. Cross country celebrates a state finalist.
And girls basketball dedicates its season to the memory of a departed teammate.
Bird's Eye News starts now.
Senior Logan Tausch caps off his high school cross-country run with a state medal and a scholarship at the next level. Here's Ella with more.
Senior Logan Tausch finished 4th in the state cross-country meet at Round Rock on November 3rd.
Logan's been preparing for state for probably the last 6 years. As a 4-time person that has gone and competed at state, he knows how to compete, and this year he's just stepped it up to a whole nother level.
We were doing 60-mile weeks for the entire summer, no days off, nothing like that.
He has the ability to go out and work as hard, if not harder, than probably anybody else.
Just a lot of mileage, a lot of hard workouts, a lot of discipline, a lot of consistency.
He could go run his own miles, but oftentimes on the easy days, on the days that we have longer mileage, he'll take the younger guys with him.
Then being able to see somebody that they can train with who's kind of at the top level of the state is really helpful for them to know that they can one day get to that point too. I got like 40th or something like that last year, so to make the move was really big, and yeah, I would say I expected it.
We had full faith that he was going to be on the podium this year.
Logan was offered an athletic scholarship next year to run cross country.
Logan's going to run next year at UNT, University of North Texas, and he's going to take his training, he's going to take his ability to work just extremely hard to the next level, and I think he's going to be very successful there.
The Lady Cardinals dedicate their season to Shion McNeil, who tragically passed away over the summer. Here's Mim with more.
Over the summer, the Lady Cardinal basketball team experienced a tragic loss. Shion McNeil, a promising young talent, passed away.
Oh, it was a beautiful service. We had several of our players show up. That just goes to show you the type of impact that Shion had on her friends and our program.
All of her family, the teammates, and a lot of friends and teachers, they all came as well.
We released butterflies in her honor. One of her teammates and dear friends, Yudoji, actually spoke and did an amazing job honoring her. I know we all have our bad days, but she found a way every day to put a smile on her face and come with a great attitude.
She was always very encouraging to her teammates. She was very, very kind-hearted. She just brought joy all around. It was always very fun to have her around. When she wasn't there, you definitely felt the lack of presence.
As a friend, Shion was very supportive. She would always give good advice, and she would always be there for you, even if she didn't even know you as well. She was like a sister to everyone, and she would always have your back, even if you were in the wrong.
The one thing that I remember when I think about her is that her smile immediately pops into my head, and just the way she treated people, very kind, and was a great teammate and a great friend.
The team is dedicating the season to the memory of Shion, rallying behind the slogan, Eyes Up.
When we get overwhelmed with mistakes or things aren't going our way, our motto is eyes up, look up and find a positive, look up and think of Shion and playing for her and making her proud and living a life that we would be proud of and she would be proud of.
Coach did it with the motto to sort of remind you to focus when things are going wrong, to always have your purpose in basketball, and that's why you play.
It's a reminder for us, not just in basketball, but in our daily life, to be in the moment and to treat people with kindness and not to take anything for granted, and to know that, our life here on earth, it's bigger than just us. It's about how we affect those around us.
The Lady Cardinals won their district opener Tuesday night, defeating Lovejoy 39-37. The Lady Cardinals face Van Austin at home tonight at 6:15 p.m.